TikTok, TikTok, TikTok. This is all I get. Questions every day. How do I make money with TikTok? How do I make thousands of dollars every day on TikTok? I'm going to show you how to do it 5 different ways. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you an extra bonus. And I'm going to show you how you can get set up, guys. Literally in one day, takes about 8 to 10 hours. In one day, you can set up your TikTok account to start producing hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of dollars of income every single day. And it's not as hard as you think. It just takes a little time, takes a lot of knowledge, but it takes taking action. You have to listen and do exactly what I say, okay? So here we go. How to make money with TikTok, 5 different ways. Get out a pen and a pencil or record this, or make sure you comment and send me some questions. Me and my team always respond. Let's get to it. 5 different ways to make money on TikTok. Let's go. Okay, here we go. TikTok, number 1 way to make money is going live. Going live. That's right. So you have to have, first of all, 1,000 followers or more to go live. Once you go live, people will join your live, and they're going to send you gifts, hopefully. So what you need to do is pick a niche: fitness, cooking, music, entertainment. Maybe you're a coach or a mentor, whatever. It doesn't matter. You got to pick a niche that you know something about, you have knowledge about, and then you want to talk to people about that on your TikTok live. Now, TikTok is so crazy busy, guys. There's over 1.4 billion people on TikTok every day. There's over 600,000 people every second of every day on live. So why don't you go live, okay? Talk to people, help them, give them some great information about something you are an expert at, or just have some fun, play some music, entertain them, and they will send you gifts. That's the number 1 way to make money. Okay, the second way to make money on TikTok every day, hundreds if not thousands of dollars, is the TikTok Creator Fund. That's right. So TikTok, just like YouTube, will pay you money every day, every video, that you get thousands and thousands or tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands or millions of views. So every time you post a video on TikTok, they are tracking your views. You get a lot of views, you're going to get paid. Now, it's about 4 cents, I think it's about 4 cents per 10,000 views. So if you get 10,000 views, 1,000 views is 4 cents. That's right. 4 cents, 1,000 views. So if you get 10,000 views, you're going to make like $4. If you get 100,000 views, you're going to make like $40. But believe me, guys, it really adds up, because I'll show you how to post 10, 15, 20, 30 times a day, get tens, if not hundreds, if not millions of views, and make a lot of cash daily on TikTok with the Creator Fund. Okay, the third way to make money on TikTok, I'm talking cash every minute, every day, guys, is through selling merchandise. Clothes, sunglasses, shoes, sneakers. You don't even have to have a product. I'll show you how to set up an Amazon store where you can send people from TikTok to Amazon through your special Amazon affiliate partner link, and you will make commissions every day when people go buy stuff on Amazon. Now, you can create your own merchandise, guys. There's 3 different apps right now where you can go, excuse me, and you can create your own product. You don't have to have a product. They will ship the product out for you. So you can sell shirts and bikinis and sweats and hoodies and gym, all kinds of stuff, guys. Gym fitness equipment, vitamins, supplements, dog food, cat food, baby food, it doesn't matter. Guys, you need to get into affiliate marketing and sell your stuff using your TikTok videos, and I'll show you how to set it up. Okay, the fourth way, number four way, guys, is affiliate marketing. That's right, like I was just talking about in the video. Okay, selling merchandise is one thing. You can sell your own products, makeup, jewelry, whatever, but you can sell other people's products through affiliate marketing. You know, the richest company in the world is Amazon. Jeff Bezos became a guys, he's worth like $200 billion from affiliate marketing. Do exactly what he does. Send people to Amazon. Set up a personal Amazon affiliate partner marketing account, okay? And then you're going to put Amazon links, all of your personal links, on TikTok. But you can't put it on TikTok. I got to show you how to do it. You're going to put it through another app where you'll send people from TikTok to that app, and they will tap on those Amazon links and go buy stuff. Guys, you can make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. I'm talking daily, guys, 1,000, 2,000. We got a 31-year-old girl making $5,000 a day just with Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, the fifth and final way to make money with TikTok, guys, is through company sponsorships. That's right. Companies will contact you. You got to have in your TikTok account, behind the scenes, in your bio, in your profile, in bio, you got to have contact information, your name, your email, your phone number. Okay, put your direct number. Why not? Because you might have a company like Sunray or C-Ray or Coca-Cola or some energy drink like Monster Energy, Red Bull, right? You might have a makeup company contact you and say, hey, we love your videos. We're going to send you some products. Put those products in your videos and we'll pay you a commission every video, every day, every week, every month. Guys, and sometimes it gets big. There is a 25-year-old kid right now getting paid from one of the largest surfboard companies in the world over $1 million a year. That's right, just because he uses their surfboards in their TikTok videos. You can do the same thing too. So listen, guys, if you are sitting there right now and you are on TikTok, you're on Facebook, you're on Instagram, you're on YouTube, but you're not making a lot of money, I'm talking $1,000 or more per day. We don't even talk about making money every month anymore, guys. That's easy. You want deposits coming in every day. You can go on TikTok Live 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 times a day, and every time you go live for 15, 20, 30 minutes or an hour, you're making money, guys. $20 here, $40 there, $50, $300. Guys, I made over $1,480 on one TikTok Live in about 45 minutes one time. I'm telling you, these kids are doing this. Why don't you do it too? I don't care if you're 88 years old. You can make money going TikTok Live, and there's 5 different ways to do it. So contact me right now. In the description, there's a link. Get me on the phone live. We will set up your TikTok account in one day. 5 ways, guys, to make money on TikTok.